Blessed be everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to draw a tarot card for either today's guidance or if you want to use it weekly, because I only draw tarot cards usually once or twice a week, to use to give you something to ponder, something to meditate on, or some guidance for you. Before we do, I'm Sandra from MysteryWitchSchool.com, author of Crafting a Wiccan Path. If you want to know more about tarot, Wicca, witchcraft and shadow work, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos. And if you want to know where to start your witchcraft practice but you're just overwhelmed by everything that's out there, take a look at my free video, How to Start Your Witchcraft Practice. The link is in the description field below this video. So today I am going to pull a tarot card and give you a very basic reading while I'm shuffling the deck for today's guidance. Tell you about the tarot course that's coming up. I am going to be teaching tarot. There will be a tarot course coming up either the end of April, beginning of May, where you can learn to read the tarot. I'll let you know more about that. If you want to stay in touch so you know when that's going to start, make sure you're on my mailing list, either by downloading that free video, How to Start Your Witchcraft Practice, or just simply going down into the description field below this video to click on the newsletter, sign up and sign up for that, and you'll get to be on my list. Okay, today's card for everyone is, and this is from the Arthurian Tarot, by the way, by Caitlin and John Matthews. I don't even know if you can still get this deck anymore. I got this deck back in I think 1994, 93, 94. So it's a beautiful deck. It's the Arthurian deck. And today we have the Eight of Swords. And I've done a video about the Eight of Swords. So if you want to know more about the meaning of that card, I will put the link in the description field below this video. Today, with this particular deck, we have a sword, and the sword is stuck into the ground, and around the sword we have some pools of water and a little bit of a cloudy background there. This is the card of being stuck. It's like you're stuck with a sense of barrenness in this particular card anyway. I'm really getting a sense of barrenness. Being stuck, not knowing where to go and how to get out of being stuck. This sword appears to be really surrounded by pools of water, which may be the reason why it's indicating it can't move. And the pools of water generally in tarot indicate the emotions. So this is a case of your mental ability, your rationality, your problem-solving self being stuck because of emotional stuff around it. And the guidance for today is feel into the emotion. If you're feeling stuck, if you're feeling like you can't move forward, or you're stuck in a funk, or if you're feeling maybe worried about something, maybe you're a bit of a worrywart, or you're just feeling meh. When you feel into the emotion of that, what are the thoughts behind that? Because it's actually the thoughts that are keeping you stuck. So the emotions are the energy that's keeping you stuck, but the thoughts are actually the initiator of what's keeping you stuck. So what are you thinking? What are your thoughts about yourself or the situation that you might be in that's kind of influencing your emotions and influencing your inability to be able to move forward? Are you overthinking things? Are you like the dog chasing its tail, going round and round and round and round and round in circles? Are you telling yourself negative things about your inability to be able to do what you want to do or be who you really know yourself to be deep down inside? Are you giving yourself instructions about how you should be ashamed to want to do this or to do that? Or are you telling yourself, probably more than anything, if I do this and I fail, what will people think? Or if I do this and I succeed, what will people think? Is that your concern? What are other people going to think? Who am I going to offend? Who am I going to let down? What are people going to call me? these things can keep you stuck. And what's coming through is that your thoughts are stuck. The emotions are actually physically keeping you energetically stuck, because that's what emotions do. They're an energetic source, so they can either motivate you to spring into action, or they can keep you heavy and weighed down. And your thoughts are actually what the base of that is. So get to know what you're thinking. And if it is being concerned about other people and what they're going to think of you if you do this or you don't do this, then really have a look at how often do you let other people stop you from truly being who you truly are and saying what it is that you really feel deep down you'll say. It's about stepping into your power and being willing to risk being the person you are, as opposed to being the person you think you should be. Okay, so that's the lesson today. If you want to learn witchcraft with me, you certainly can. It is called the Mystery Witch School 101 Academy. That is a 12-month course in witchcraft in a more of an eclectic, Wiccan influence, where you will learn how to connect to the deities, how to work with the Sabbats and the lunar energies, also your own energy work, spell work, and a little bit of that inner self-knowledge work and a little bit of exploration into yourself and how to explore yourself and change some of your thinking through reframing. If you're interested in that, link in the description field below this video. If you like the video, hit the like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. I am Sandra from mysterywitchschool.com. Blessed be.